The variable input extension is a visualization extension included in the dashboard bundle for setting the value of a variable. You can choose different output formats, such as a drop-down list, an input file to manually enter a value, some buttons, or a slider. In this example, we use the variable budget to create the KPI chart for next year's sales and to create the measure to calculate the next year's sales measure in the bar chart. To start working with this extension, drag and drop it onto your sheet from the Custom Objects folder. In the Appearance tab, select the variable you want to use, in this case, budget. You then select how to show it, for example, as a drop-down list. You can choose a fixed or dynamic value. In this case, we select a fixed value and we insert some positive and negative percentage values. When done, you can see how the drop-down menu works. By selecting a value from the drop-down list, the visualizations that contain the budget variables will update accordingly. The extension can also be used to add an input box to your sheet. Using this, you can type a value into the input box and the visualization will update accordingly. Another way to use the extension is to add buttons to your sheet. Then, as before, you can add values to define different variable values. As you can see, by clicking on the button, the visualization will update accordingly. The last option you have is to add a slider. You can select Update on Drag if you want the variable value to be updated while you drag. Define the minimum setting and the maximum setting under Values. You can also set the step to use with Step. If you select Slider Label, the selected value is displayed when you drag the slider. As you can see, by dragging the slider, the visualizations will update according to your selected value. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to receive new content every week.